Hi, boys and girls. So for the sentence sort, you're going to read each sentence. If the sentence is written correctly, you're going to shade it in green. If the sentence is written incorrectly, shade it in red. So green is there, it's good to go. Red, there's problems. Then you're going to pick one sentence that's red and rewrite it correctly on the line down here. So remember, if it's red, that means it was missing something. It was missing either a capital letter, a punctuation mark, remember a period or a question mark, or the sentence didn't have spaces. So if it doesn't match up with every one of these, capital letter, punctuation mark, and spaces, then it should be colored red. If it's colored red, you're going to pick one of them and rewrite it correctly with the capital letter, with the ending mark, and the spaces. Okay? So this sentence right here, a police officer protects people. If it's written correctly, capital letter, punctuation mark, and spaces, color it green. If it's missing something, color it red. This sentence here, teachers help us learn. Check your sentence checklist. Is it written correctly or is it written wrong? If it's correct, color it green. If it's incorrect, color it red. I follow rules to stay safe. Red, it's good, or green, it's good. Red, it's not good. If I am lost, I can ask a police officer for help. Green for good, red for not good. Remember, you're looking for capitals, spaces, and ending marks. I go to the doctor for help when I am sick. Green for good, red is not good. I took my dog to the vet for a shot. Green, it's good. Red, it's missing a capital, punctuation, or spaces. Up here, firefighters protect people from fires. Does it have a capital letter? Does it have an ending mark? Does it have spaces? If it does, color it green. If it does not, color it red. You should call 911 if you are in danger. Red, it's bad. Green, it's good. These little dashes here, those are allowed. You should always wear a seatbelt. Oh, Ms. Pangburn wrote this and obviously forgot A. That didn't sound right when I read it. You should always wear a seatbelt. Forgive me for that one. This one is actually written correctly other than my mistake, so you can still color that one green. I still have spaces, I have a period, and I have a capital letter. This one says, sharing is kind. If it's correct, color it green. If it's incorrect, color it red. This one says, crossing guards help me cross the street safely. Does it have a capital letter? Punctuation mark? Spaces? If it does, color it green. If it does not, color it red. My teacher cares about me. Does it have a capital letter? Does it have a punctuation mark? Does it have spaces? If it does, color it red. If it does not, color it green. I said that wrong. If it has all that stuff, color it green. If it does not, color it red. Now, I want you to pick one of your red sentences, and I want you to rewrite it using those tall, small, and fall letters on the line. So you're going to make sure you start with a capital letter, that you put spaces between each of your words, and that you end it with a period or a question mark if it's a question. Good luck!